Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. How are you, my friends? I hope you are enjoying your lives and you are doing fine. My dear friends, this video is going to be very cute and very useful for all of the mummies and all those people who love to wear hair accessories, and especially for the moms and the grandmothers who are actually thinking about making something gorgeous for their grandbabies and their baby princesses, because this video is going to show you a beautiful and amazing variety of crochet hair accessories and especially crochet hair clips, or you can say crochet hair pins. These crochet hair pins are so cute and they look so stylish, and they are one of the things that add something unique to your style, because whenever we get dressed, whenever we dress up, whenever we actually prepare for some event, or even in our normal everyday life, we love to wear such things that make us look elegant and different from each day and previous day. And hairstyling adds to the beauty. Hairstyling is something that is very important. It plays a vital role in changing the style, because it depends upon the hairstyle that how a person looks. For example, you try 4 or 5 different kind of hairstyles, and these 4 or 5 different kind of hairstyles would entirely changing your look in 5 different ways. So hairstyle is a most powerful thing that is in your dressing. And when we come to hairstyles, then we need hair accessories, and especially for girls, women, babies, and all those who have long hair, because when it comes to men, they don't need any hair accessories. They need some hats or caps or such things, and especially who are having some long hair, they use the hair ties or ponies to catch their hair. But when it comes to women, women actually love to wear hair accessories, and they need to wear hair accessories. For example, if your hair are cut short and you want to cover your hair while doing some face massage or facial or any other cleansing type of things, you need to tie your hair, you need to use hair pins or hair clips or any other accessories so that you do may feel comfortable. And when it comes to babies, little babies, baby girls don't have any proper knowledge of how to go with the things, how to manage the things. They are so cute and so innocent, and their hair must be styled in a proper way, and all this is the duty of mummies and all the elders who are staying around them. So you have to use different kind of hair accessories. Some women go to markets to purchase expensive kind of hair accessories. I have seen so many people selling these kind of pins at very high rates. But if you are here at your home and you want to do something really different, and you want to make something that is beautiful and at the same time low budgeted, then you can get ideas from this video, and you can also get ideas of the popular color schemes. You can make these hair ties, or you can say these hair pins or clips in matching with your baby girl dresses. For example, this pink one is super stylish, and this is just simple a flower pattern. You have to make a flower, and you have to add that flower to some pin, and that is done. Some pictures are also showing some fruit shaped pins that are also beautiful, but that one are here on a girl. You can also make this kind of for your baby girls, because babies love to wear these kind of unique and innovative things, and they love, and these look also super cute on them. This is a pink colored hair kind of tie or a hair clip type. You can take even you can repair the old pins or old clips that have been already used by your children. For example, your baby had a pair of hair clips, and that is no more with the same flowers or pearls or any other things that was on it. You can actually tear out the apparent or the upper part of that pin. You can remove that part, and you can add something new like a flower or any other thing, and the pin would be again a very beautiful and new thing, and your kid will be loving it as a new accessory. So you can do these things in a low budgeted way and add pins to these flowers. You can see this picture is giving you idea. And I request you, my dear friends, if you are here watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you so much for watching me.